The overall goal of this behavioral assay is to test various aspects of learning and memory in mice.
This method can help answer numerous questions in the area of rodent cognition, from the basics of developing a deeper understanding for certain aspects of learning and memory in mice, as well as more complex issues such as cognitive impairment, including disease models such as Alzheimer's disease, to the exploration of potential cognitive enhancement. The main advantage of the ORT is its simplicity, efficiency, and flexibility in studying learning and memory in mice. Demonstrating this procedure will be Andre Jelty, a lab technician from our lab.
Begin by selecting mouse-sized objects that can be easily discriminated by the animal but have a similar degree of complexity in features, such as texture, shape, or brightness, to minimize any potential induced object preference that may bias the results. Additionally, to further reduce induced preference, ensure that mice are able to climb on both objects or neither object, though ability to climb on an object may increase interest in exploration. Then, to minimize the stress of bright lighting, use diffuse, low lighting with the center of the maze illuminated around 20 lux. Acclimate mice to any new testing rooms for at least 1 hour prior to use each day, and keep the temperature and humidity similar to regular housing conditions. Note, the mice should be handled 1 to 2 times a day for at least 1 minute over the course of 1 to 2 weeks prior to testing. Lastly, for the main